Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in your Kia Sorento. First, gather your essential tools, including an AC recharge kit, safety glasses, and gloves. Next, locate the low-pressure service port, typically found on the larger diameter line near the firewall. With your engine running and the AC set to its coldest setting and highest fan speed, you are ready for the next step. This ensures the compressor is engaged and circulating refrigerant. Now, let's connect your manifold gauge set. First, attach the blue low-side hose to the low-pressure service port. Then, connect the red high-side hose to the high-pressure service port. Make sure both connections are snug to prevent any refrigerant from escaping. The gauges will now display the current pressure readings of your AC system, giving you a baseline before adding any new refrigerant. With the gauges connected, it's time to add refrigerant. Attach the yellow service hose to your refrigerant can tap. Slowly open the low-side valve on the manifold gauge set. Invert the can and allow the refrigerant to flow into the system. Continuously monitor the low-side pressure gauge, aiming for a reading between 30 and 40 psi. Add refrigerant in short bursts, waiting a few seconds between each to allow the system to stabilize. Once the desired pressure is reached, quickly disconnect the hoses from the service ports to minimize refrigerant loss. Next, check the air coming from your Sorento's vents to ensure it is significantly colder. Finally, inspect all connections for any signs of leaks using a leak detection spray. If cooling issues persist, or if you notice any unusual noises, it is best to consult a certified automotive technician for a thorough diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.